So today we're going to create this text effect in DaVinci Resolve. Go to the Effects tab, then Titles, then drag a text plus in your timeline. Change the text, font, size, and color as you prefer. Then right-click on the text and go to the character level styling. Then go to the text, right-click and click Open in Fusion page. When in Fusion, go to the Modifiers tab. Then what you select in the screen, you can stylize it to your liking, whether it's font, size, or anything else you can do it. Once you style every character to your liking, go back to the edit page and we are going to add a typewriter effect like I showed you in the previous video. And there you have it. Hit that like button and subscribe for more text animations and DaVinci Resolve tips like this.